Working in the agriculture field is tough, but thanks to technology, we have got lots of amazing machinery to not only help out with the job, but also make it less time-consuming. In today's video, let's have a look at some of these agricultural machines that are truly operating on an insane level. Number 1. John Deere's Seed Harvest 2266. The John Deere 2266 is a robust combine harvester with a 220 kilowatt engine and a massive 9,500-liter grain tank. It uses 6 straw walkers to efficiently separate grain from straw, making it perfect for large-scale operations. With a 6.1-meter cutting platform, it covers wide areas quickly. It's built for comfort too, with air conditioning and a well-designed cabin for long harvest days. Number 2. AgZeed AdBot 5.115T2 Plowing. Plowing the fields can be time-taking and difficult for farmers, and that's why AgZeed AdBot 5.115T2 is there to make plowing tasks effortless. It uses GPS and advanced software to plow fields precisely, even in challenging terrains. Powered by a 156 horsepower engine, it can work continuously without human input. You can control it remotely, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. It's perfect for tech-savvy farmers looking to automate their operations. Number 3. Spartan Schulte RWP 1935 Rock Windrower Picker. The Spartan RWP 1935 is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to windrow rocks up to 15 inches in size. It collects rocks and arranges them into rows, making it easier for removal. The machine is built tough and can handle rocky fields and rough terrain. It has a working width of 35 feet, which makes rock pitting fast and efficient, helping farmers clear fields for planting. Number 4. New Holland T6140. The New Holland T6140 is a versatile tractor with a 140 horsepower engine. It's known for being fuel efficient and easy to handle, which is perfect for jobs like plowing, tilling, or hauling. With its smooth transmission and high-tech hydraulics, it delivers precision control. The cab is built for comfort, offering great visibility and air conditioning, making long farm days a breeze. Number 5. Flory WS910 Power Track Self-Propelled Mulcher. The Flory WS910 is a self-propelled mulcher designed to turn orchard debris into fine mulch. Powered by a 170 horsepower engine, it covers large areas quickly. Its adjustable mulching head can grind up fallen branches and organic material, improving soil quality. It's also easy to maneuver and helps orchard farmers save time while maintaining a clean, productive orchard. Number 6. New Holland T6140 for spreading straw mixture. The New Holland T6140 tractor is versatile and powerful, making it perfect for spreading straw mixtures. With a 114 to 143 horsepower engine, it can handle tough fieldwork like spreading straw or manure. Its hydraulic systems make attaching straw blowers easy, spreading mulch or bedding in an even, efficient pattern. It's fuel efficient and user-friendly, with advanced controls for precision farming. Number 7. Steyr 8300. The Steyr 8300 tractor packs a punch with 260 horsepower and a 9.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine. It's built for heavy-duty farming, and its hydrostatic power steering makes it super easy to maneuver in fields. With a sturdy chassis and an optional four-wheel drive, it handles tough terrains, pulling plows or tilling fields like a pro. Its durability and high lifting power make it perfect for big agricultural tasks. Number 8. AGI X2 Series Swing Auger. This swing auger is a grain farmer's best friend. The AGI X2 series moves grain efficiently with its hydraulic drive and large hopper. Designed to handle high-capacity grain flow, it makes loading grain bins quick and smooth. The swing function allows flexibility, and its heavy-duty build ensures it can withstand constant use. It's perfect for speeding up harvest time logistics. Number 9. Valentini Navajo 1800 Forestry Tiller. This beast is built for clearing and prepping forest ground. The Valentini Navajo 1800 tills the soil and mulches it with powerful blades that cut through roots, stumps, and rocks. With a 1.8 meters working width, it's perfect for forestry or land reclamation. The killer's strong frame and durable teeth make it ideal for breaking down dense vegetation and prepping land for new planting. Number 10. MKC4 TR Leaf Vegetable Harvester. The MKC4 TR is made for harvesting leafy greens like lettuce or spinach. It uses a precise cutting system to gather crops gently without damaging them. Its conveyor system carefully transports the leaves, keeping them fresh and intact. It's designed for high efficiency, minimizing labor and maximizing output during harvest season. Number 11. Cameco CH2600 Row Cane Harvester. The Cameco CH2600 is a beast for harvesting sugarcane. It's got a heavy-duty cutting mechanism that slices through the cane rows efficiently. This machine grabs the stalks, cuts them at the base, and then processes them through a rotating drum to remove leaves. The cleaned cane is loaded directly into a trailing wagon for transport. It's known for speed and precision, boosting harvest productivity significantly. Number 12. Cadioglu 280ED Walnut Peeling Machine. The Cadioglu 280ED is a high-capacity walnut peeling machine that can handle up to 2,000 kilograms of walnuts per hour. It's got precise speed control and steel grinders for efficient peeling. The angled bull helps increase pressure on the walnuts, peeling them faster. An internal mixer ensures consistent performance, making this machine great for large walnut processing farms. It's designed for durability, perfect for long-term, high-volume use. Number 13. Pick-Rite HC290 Tomato Harvester. The Pick-Rite HC290 makes tomato harvesting a breeze. It uses conveyor belts and sorting mechanisms to gently pluck tomatoes from plants, minimizing bruising on the crop. It separates the fruit from the vines and transfers it to a storage bin for easy collection. With adjustable settings for different crop conditions, it's a top choice for large-scale tomato farming, handling high volumes while maintaining quality. Number 14. Gitacross Cross Weeder. The Gitacross Weeder is designed for effective weed control between rows. Using rotating blades, it slices through weeds, uprooting them without disturbing the crops. It's highly adjustable, making it suitable for a variety of plant row widths. This tool helps maintain a clean, weed-free environment, improving overall crop health by reducing competition for nutrients and water. It's perfect for organic farming. Number 15. Kenco 2-Row Bedder. The Kenco 2-Row Bedder is all about prepping the soil for planting. It forms 2 raised beds at once, optimizing water drainage and soil aeration. The machine uses discs to shape the soil into neat rows, making it ideal for vegetable and row crop farming. It's a time saver and ensures your field is primed for planting with consistent bed formation. Simple yet efficient, it's a must-have for serious farmers. Number 16. JCB Fastrac 4220 with VMO 23 Gang Mower. This combo is built for serious mowing. The JCB Fastrac 4220 tractor, known for its speed and versatility, is paired with the VMO 23 Gang Mower. The mower has multiple cutting decks working together, making it ideal for massive areas like golf courses or large estates. The Fastrac suspension ensures a smooth ride, while the mower's wide cutting width makes quick work of even the largest fields. It's a perfect mix of power and precision. Number 17. Acrom Outloader EXG300 Silobag Extraction. The Acrom EXG300 is a powerhouse for unloading grain from silo bags. With a capacity of 360 tons per hour, it uses a hydraulic auger system to empty grain bags quickly and efficiently. The auger automatically moves as the bag rolls up, and the speed can be adjusted. It's built to handle tough grains and uses a simple operating system, making grain extraction from bags smooth and hassle-free. Number 18. Dowbo Compact XL 12.3 meter rolls for soil leveling, seedbed preparation. Dowbo's Compact XL rolls are perfect for prepping fields. With a 12.3 meter working width, these rollers flatten the soil for an even seedbed. They are heavy-duty and foldable, making transport easy. The roller helps break clods and press down stones, improving soil contact with seeds. It's a reliable piece of kit for getting your land ready for planting, improving crop germination and growth. Number 19. John Deere S770 plus Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30 for sunflower harvest. The John Deere S770 combine is teamed with the Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon header, a match made for sunflower harvesting. The S770 is a powerful combine with excellent threshing and separation, while the Sunlight Horizon header is designed specifically to cut sunflowers efficiently. Together, they minimize loss during harvest by gently handling the plants and reducing shattering. The combo makes sunflower harvesting more productive and easier on the crops. Number 20. Scorpion S1100 Grab for pulling out tree stump. The Scorpion S1100 Grab is a beast when it comes to stump removal. Mounted on an excavator, this attachment uses strong hydraulic jaws to grip and pull stumps out of the ground. It can handle even large, stubborn roots easily. The Grab's heavy-duty construction makes it tough enough for forestry work, and its precise control ensures minimal damage to the surrounding area during stump extraction. That's it for today. Check out our channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to press like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.